We're just changing out a cartridge here at the tub and shower in the apartment. Emco cartridges, shower valve, old style. Alright, this is the old one. Ooh, look how crappy that is. No good. Let's have the new one here. You always want to see if there's seats in here. You always want to make sure they're not deteriorated. That one looks pretty good, so we're not going to replace it. And you get an Allen key to get that out of there.
Which is a 7/64 size, if I'm not mistaken.
Again, you want to do the greasing. Keep it from getting sticky. Just on that guy there. Just gonna go like this. Get it on the grease.
Greasy.
That's pretty much it for these types of cartridges. Emco. Have a good one, guys.